What will KW Maps coaching do for you?
The greatest value of a MAPS coach is that they care about you. They care about where you want to go, and they help you set the plan that's best for you. It's not a one-size-fits-all, it's a one-size-fits-you.
You really need someone that can look at your situation or at your business and really identify the areas that you need to focus on.
You know, I'm in the trenches, I'm looking at it with my blinders on. But here's somebody who's looking at the view from up here. It's a very different view.
Absolutely the right move. If you look at my production, you can see exactly where my MAPS coach came into my life.
Trust that if you do what they tell you to do, you're going to reap the rewards. We've doubled our business essentially every year. The year that I decided I wanted to go into coaching, my volume was 28 million. The year after I had been in for a full year, it went up to 36 million, and then up to 48, and we're on track for 75 this year.
The larger part is, living a life worth living. That's one of the mottos of Keller Williams. It's not just, owning a business worth owning, but living the life worth living. And it brings into balance. If you don't have a business worth owning, really you can't live the life worth living, can you?